Good morning students. Today we are going to explain innovative topic that is quantum numbers. Sir, what is mean by quantum number? The quantum number is defined as a set of number used to complete provide description of an electron is called quantum numbers. So the quantum numbers are classified into four types. First one is principal quantum number, and the second one is angular momentum quantum number, and the third one is magnetic quantum number, and the fourth one is spin quantum number. But according to we follow four instructions for the quantum number. The first one is given electronic configuration, we compare with the NLX method. From this, n is equal to we know 1s1. From n value here represented 1. If instead of 2s1, n is equal to 3s1, n is equal to 3. 3p1, n is equal to 3. So from this given electronic configuration, we compare with NLX method. From this, what we know from n value. And second one is here L is equal to, for example, L value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 indicate s orbitals, 1 is indicates p orbitals, 2 is indicates d orbital, f is indicates 3 orbital. Means L value if it is 0, that is s orbital. L value 1, so it is indicate p value. So L value 2, it's indicate d orbital. If L value 3, it's indicate f. So next third one is the number of s orbitals only 1. S orbitals 1. But maximum number of electrons 2. And here number of p orbitals 3. P orbitals 3. Maximum number of electrons is 6. So here, 0, right? Magnetic values are 0, -1 and +1. And d orbital, number of d orbitals 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here let it be write 0, -1, -2, and right side +1 and +2. And f orbitals 7. F orbital 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here 0, -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, +3. So this is F orbitals. And here d orbitals. So number of s orbital 1, maximum number of electrons 2, p orbitals 3, electrons 6, d orbitals 5, electrons 10, f orbitals 7, electrons 14. But according to here, and fourth one is, if in case the electron is two direction, it acts as. One is clockwise direction and another one is anti-clockwise direction. If electron is clockwise direction, we are represented +1/2. The anti-clockwise direction, we are represented -1/2. So let us see, suppose examples of first atomic number of hydrogen. So the electronic configuration is 1s1. So write 4 quantum numbers of the hydrogen atom. So here n, first one is next to L, third one is Ml, and fourth one is Ms. For these 4 quantum number, first we are compare with the NLX method. From this n is equal to what we write here 1. So L value means s orbital, that is become 0. And Ml value here, that value 0. And first electron is enter into the orbital, that is clockwise direction, that is represented +1/2. Now we are going to write the second atom, helium. So 1s2. So second electron. So n value how much here? 1. For the s value, s is equal to become 0. And Ml value, so Ml value also 0. And the second electron is represented -1/2. So here the first one is here represented n value, This is the L value. This is ml value. It is the ms values. So here third one, lithium. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. For these 2s1, what we write here, n is equal to 2, s means become 0, and the third one is if it will come s m value, that is also 0. Again we are first electron enter into the orbit, so that is represented plus 1 by 2. And the next one also on 10th one, neon. Neon means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So here p6. So that's why here n value how much? 2. P is equal to here 1. P is equal to 1. So p, how many orbits are there? 3. So but 6th electron, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6th electron we are represented plus 1. Right? And here it is clockwise electron or anti-clockwise electron. That's why we are able to write minus 1 by 2. Next 11th one, sodium. Sodium. Atomic number is 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So electronic configuration for these 3s1, 3 and s value 0. Okay now? So ml value, that means 0 and plus 1 by 2. Right? And next, for example, 21, scandium. Scandium atomic number is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. For this 3d1 electronic configuration, write 4 quantum numbers. NLX, first compare with NLX method. N is equal to 3. So D means D become 2. So here D become 2. And the next is ml values for the 3d1. D electron is first electron enter into the minus 2. So that's why we are able to write minus 2. And it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. If it will clockwise electron, we are represented plus 1 by 2. Right? So this is the examples for the 4 quantum numbers. Thank you.